Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Streamers want to share their game videos with friends and followers in a way that doesn't interfere with their gameplay. Whether they play console or PC games, they demand high quality and a smooth streaming experience. Most streamers use a second PC with an external capture card for streaming, meaning they can play on another machine without affecting their performance. The Acer Nitro Stream is your dedicated streaming PC for PC and console games. You can share your gameplay and interact with your community thanks to its optimized streaming hardware and software. It includes an 8th Gen Intel Core i7 or i5 processor, up to 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 256 GB SSD. It also contains an integrated capture card, so there's everything you need in a single device. With the Nitro Stream, you can just plug in and play. Keep things simple and free up valuable desk space with a single compact device. You don't need another bulky desktop tower. Keep things even tidier by attaching the Nitro Stream to the back of a display with a VESA mount. The Nitro Stream is also preloaded with Streamlabs OBS, which lets you take your streaming to the next level and provides you with a host of handy widgets to improve your videos. Seamlessly integrated with Twitch, YouTube, Mixer, and Facebook Live, Streamlabs OBS lets you manage your channels with ease. What's more, with the capture card's pass-through feature, you can play and record at 4K p60 while streaming at 1080p. With 2 TB of hard drive space, you can store all your large video files. The Nitro Stream also has a Thunderbolt 3 port, giving you fast transfer speeds when you want to transfer your files to another PC for video editing. The Nitro Stream is a hassle-free solution for high-quality streaming no matter what you play.